Here's the box that I got from Amazon a couple of days ago. Let's crack it open and see what we got. What do you know? It is the pedal commander. Man, smooth box. The packaging is outstanding. And hard to get into. Oh, it says push. I need to start reading, right? Look at that. It says push. I'm pulling. Too easy. Alright, it's nothing but plug and play. So I got my little socket wrench here. Got my phone on it as a light. I'm gonna see I can get much footage as I can. The first thing I'm going to do is take this little piece off right here. Socket. So I'll take this screw out. Finally got everything removed. This is the pedal itself. So now all I gotta do is hook up the pedal commander up here, the male and female, and lock it in place. Everything is locked and secure here and on the back of the pedal. Alright, it's time to put everything back in place. Like I said, it's just all plug and play. Nothing too hard. Now everything is locked back in place. I just need to figure out one of my wiring to my pedal commander. I got it here right now on my seat right now. So I need to just find a spot. Like I said, everything is locked back in place. So I think I'm gonna run it up here at the top. Run it over the carpet here and let it rest here or up here somewhere. So I ended up mounting it here and ran the cord back in the back up under here around, tucking it back in the back behind the pedal here. So it came out pretty clean. Good morning, it is the next day here in the beautiful state of Texas, and look at this weather. As always, can't beat it, but nothing like starting off with a cold start. And love that sound, love that sound. Like I say, it's day 2. yesterday it was day 1 when I installed the Pedal Commander, and I had it set on Sport. So today I'm going to put it on Sport Plus and see if I can tell the difference. So here we go. Alright, it's now set on Sport Plus, and we're going to take it down the road and see what she does. Let's have a look at that. Go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Woo, it's crazy. Crazy power. I tell you, I got to give my hats off to Pedal Commander. Awesome. Awesome. Because I need to take it, it's just too fast. Too fast. Crazy.